Hey guys, welcome to Touch the Clutch. Today here, we're in the parking garage because it's very cold outside.
I was actually supposed to have a girl over tonight, but here I am changing LEDs with Igor.
Yeah, so we're gonna change the interior lights in my Audi A5. One of them blew out, and then also all the rest are yellow and old and ugly, so we're gonna swap them to new LEDs.
We got this kit from ECS Tuning for like 80 bucks. Here's what it looks like. It's just like a very simple packaging.
We're also gonna look at my rear brake light because it stopped working, and I'm gonna have to check what LEDs I'll need for that.
We don't actually have any tools just because all my tools are at work, so we're gonna use a t-shirt that's wrapped around a what's it called? A screwdriver. T-shirt and a screwdriver.
Hopefully we don't mess any, ruin any clips, because then we'll have a problem and have to buy new trim.
Yeah. This is what it looks like.
Let's get to it. Okay, so we got our professional equipment. It's an old shirt. Well, not old, I wear it every day, but I don't know how many times we should wrap it. Like 2? So this is professional plastic removal. So as you can see, one of the lights is blown, plus it's very yellow. These are yellow, and it gives a yellow ambient light. We're gonna change it to white. These are the lights that come in a kit. So I got 6 of these, 2 of these, and 4 of these. And I got Terry here.
I already removed basically this. There's a clip here, it comes off, and this plastic is here. You just pry the plastic and that exposes the bulb.
I feel like I'm gonna break it. Ooh, it actually popped out nice. Okay, and now what? It slipped. It slipped my mind. Also, I can't see because I'm looking at the light. That didn't sound good.
Like that sound.
Oh, my shirt. Yo. I use this.
Okay, that's -1 shirt.
Also,
Oh god. Okay.
yo, maybe we should have watched something how to do it. This is not a tutorial how to.
Oh god. Yeah, maybe that was a good.
What does it smell?
Do you have drugs in there?
Yo, this end piece looks scary, like it's gonna break.
What about in here? Is that's a Torx?
What do you mean? Let's unscrew it?
Yeah.
That looks good. Look at the difference.
Yeah, that's. You can see that's yellow.
Plus it
That's
turns on
white.
sharp, and then look,
Yeah, 'cause it's an LED.
this one even blinks slightly. Nice.
You like?
Yeah, I like it. Come in the back. Terry. Ladies first. Okay, I'm gonna use the bottom of my shirt now. Also, it doesn't help that I have to look at the light.
So basically, you just pry it. Shit comes off.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And let me just show.
Ah, it's hot. Okay, turn it off.
So the light bulb is a little.
Can you even see me?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, the only way to get it out is like this. But I can't because my hands are slippery. So, we came prepared.
We got that good stuff. Bro, I just saw like a cloud of chalk on camera. Oh, what'd you get? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But without chalk, I would not get it. I'm sorry. Power fingers.
This little bastard.
Okay, can you give me 2 lights, please?
Yes. So, which ones?
The most common one.
Probably these ones.
Thank you. Okay, the polarity doesn't work. Boom.
Look at that. That's nice
yo.
and bright.
Hey yo, that's actually nice. You know, because of this light, all the 8s become 6s and all the 10s become 8s. Look at that stance. Hey yo.
Next light we're gonna do is one here in the glove box. Actually, well, that's a fail. There's no light here.
Screwdriver so aggressively. I thought you were gonna stab me.
I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of a fucking annoying spot to do it.
Come on, show us your skills.
Oh, I'll show you my skills.
The
So
light-
we basically just spend maybe like 3 minutes trying to figure out why this is not working, right? Until I realized, you know, when it was too late, that the car thinks that it's freaking closed. So it only took us about 2 hours.
2 hours. End of install. Basically, some lights work well. Some are really hard to get out and like center them in the connections.
Yeah, there's like pins that like when you take out the stock bulb, like you'll bend the pin and now you don't get like power or you don't get ground to it. So you kind of have to fiddle with it until it works.
But the color is really nice, and I guess it's worth it. So
Looks like 6,000 K or something. Like it's very like
white.
white. It's like cold. It's
Why is
not
your
warm.
voice so deep?
I don't know.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
So what did we do, Terry?
So well, the interior lighting fuse is fucked off. So no light for us. Please subscribe.
So I just blacked out my car.
Pretty much. Where's the screwdriver?
Kind of like it.
You like it? Where's this?
What are we doing?
So we blew this 20 amp fuse, and since we're kind of lazy to go to the store, we have a donor car
Well,
here.
everything's closed at like 11 p.m. on a Tuesday.
But we have a donor car, so it's okay. Like we don't care. We're gonna take a 20 amp fuse from this car and put it in the Audi. You ready for this?
I am, but let's put the key in.
No.
No.
Don't put anything in yet.
Oh! We got lights. Look at this.
Sir.
LEDs.
Wait.
It's so bright.
Dude, look from outside of the car. Like, this is crazy. This is so fucking crazy.
Looks so nice. Wow.
Ow.